Hi, this is going to be a short video tutorial on how to go about doing the packet tracer activity 10 out of the Cisco CCNA Learning Discovery Guide for Home and Small Business. In this particular activity, what I'm using to record my video is Cam Studio, and I'm using the Cisco packet tracer, which can be downloaded through the Cisco website, Academy website. For this particular activity, you'll notice that there's already a network set up for us here that's 4 PCs, Linksys router, and then the internet cloud, which would include miscellaneous hardware components such as switches, routers, hubs, and different connection types. In this scenario, a small business owner is saying that one of the PCs does not connect to websites properly. And to diagnose that, we're going to be working with the network layer of the OSI model. And we first want to start out by using the ping command. We first want to start out by checking to see which PC it is that isn't connecting to the internet. So we'll start off with PC4. We'll left click PC4. A dialog box will come up. We'll choose the desktop option and go to web browser, and we will try going to the web server's address, which is ciscolearn.more.com. This process can take a minute, so we'll wait here. As you can see, PC4 is connected to all the settings are configured appropriately, and we are connected to the web server. We'll do the same thing for PC3. PC3 is also configured correctly, as you can see here. We'll go into PC2 and do the same thing. ciscolearn.more.com. And as you can see here, it's taking longer than usual to connect to that website, signifying that it's PC2 that's not accessing web pages or the web server. And just to make sure one's okay, we'll do the same thing one last time. And PC1 connected right away. So what we want to do from here is left click on PC2, enter the command prompt, and see if we get a ping reply from the web server's website URL. As you can see, we're not really getting a reply here. So what we can also do is go into PC1, left click PC1, go to the command prompt, and then ping the website URL there, because we know for a fact that this is one of the PCs that's actually working properly. And of course we get a reply. Now what we can do is use the website IP address of 192.15.2.10. We can ping that from PC2 to see if we get a reply. 192.15.2.10. And we do get a reply using the website URL's IP address, but we don't get a reply using the actual URL. This usually signifies that there's a problem with the DNS configurations, the DNS on the DNS server. So what we can do from here is left click on PC4 or any known device that is working. You can also do the same with PC1. And then go into the command prompt and type in ipconfig space /all. And here we notice that the DNS server has an address of 192.15.2.5. Now if we check that on PC2, we notice right away that something's wrong here on the DNS server, because on PC2 it actually gives us a 191 address instead of a 192. To configure this, we can left click on PC2, go into config, and then right down here under DNS server we can change the 191 to a 192 to configure that appropriately. And we'll close this, and to see if we made the appropriate changes, we'll left click on PC2 again, go into the desktop option in the web browser, and we will try to access that website again. And as you can see, we've made the appropriate configuration changes that we need to do in order for that particular PC to access various web pages and the web server. As a quick recap here, what we did was diagnose network problems using the ping command and the ipconfig /all command. Then we found out that PC2 could get a reply using the website IP address, but not the URL, so we made the appropriate DNS changes to solve that. This concludes my video. I hope it was informative. Please feel free to leave me comments and feedback on the video on how to go about making this video better or what I could have left out. Thank you for your time.